12 subtle signs she's waiting for you to make a move. Have you ever found yourself wondering if that special someone in your life is waiting for you to take the next step? The world of dating and relationships can be filled with uncertainty, leaving men clueless about the other person's true intentions. But fear not, because in this video, we'll explore 12 subtle signs that indicate she's eagerly awaiting your move. She keeps looking at you, you're at the bar, and you're drinking your favorite whiskey. Suddenly, you catch this beautiful woman staring at you. What do? Does she like you? Maybe she's just trying to catch the bartender's attention. Here are a few subtle signs you should keep in mind when wondering if a woman is interested in you. Prolonged eye contact. If she keeps looking at you, she's probably interested in you, or you could have something hanging out of your nose. If her gaze lingers for a few seconds more than usual, you might have an admirer. Looking away when caught. When she looks away after you catch her staring, she's probably just shy. It's an excellent opportunity to move in and start a conversation. Searching you out in a crowd. If you're in a crowded place and she keeps looking for you, that's a sign that she likes you. She's probably into you if she's actively searching for you. Remember though, just because someone glances at you doesn't necessarily mean they're into you. Stay calm, pick up on the signals, and maybe buy her that drink she's been eyeing. Who knows where this could lead? She tries to get closer to you. So you're not sure if she's into you or just being friendly. Well, maybe these subtle signs will help you figure it out. One way a woman might show her interest is by trying to get closer to you. Whether this means invading your personal space, touching your arm or shoulder, or just standing close to you, physical closeness is a good indication. Although this doesn't give you an outright confirmation, it's definitely worth noticing. Of course, there's a fine line between being close and being creepy. Don't mistake her trying to make a move with her just being comfortable around you. However, if you notice her making an effort to be in close proximity to you, it could be a sign that she's interested in taking things to the next level. If things are going well, maybe you'll get lucky and she'll make the first move. She makes physical contact. Now things are getting heated up. Physical contact is a clear sign that she wants to get closer to you, literally. It shows that she is comfortable being close to you, and she might be testing the waters to see how you react. Brushing against you could be accidental or deliberate. Nonetheless, if it happens frequently, it might be a sign that she wants you to notice her. And let's not forget holding eye contact while touching you. If she's doing that, then she's definitely interested in you. Playful touches are a surefire way of grabbing your attention. If she's gently touching your arm or shoulder to make you laugh or tease you, you should definitely take notice. Physical contact shows that she is open to taking things to the next level. It's a clear sign that she is into you and wants to build intimacy. So if she's touching you frequently, make sure to reciprocate and enjoy the moment. She flirts with you. Now this one is a no-brainer. If a woman is flirting with you, then obviously she wants you to make a move. So how do you know if she's flirting with you? Well, some of the signs include teasing you, complimenting you, and laughing at your jokes. When a woman teases you, she's showing that she's comfortable enough around you to joke around and poke fun at you. It's her way of getting closer to you without being too obvious. Complimenting you is another sign that she's interested in you. If she's taking notice of the little things, like your new haircut or the shirt you're wearing, then she's definitely paying attention. And of course, if she's laughing at your jokes, then she thinks you're funny and wants you to know it. But be careful not to confuse friendly banter and harmless compliments with actual flirting. If you're not sure, try flirting back a little and see how she responds. If she's into it, then go for it. She asks about your relationship status. So, you're hanging out with this woman and you start to think that maybe she's into you. An easy way to tell if she's interested is if she starts asking questions about your relationship status. She may not be brave enough to come out and ask directly, but she might try to approach the topic in a roundabout way. She might ask if you're seeing anyone or what you like to do in your free time. Another way she might try to find out your relationship status is by asking questions about your social life. She might ask if you're going out with friends this weekend or if you have any fun plans coming up. If she seems genuinely interested in your social life, it could be a good sign that she's interested in being a part of it. Lastly, she might try to find out about your plans for the future. She might ask what you see yourself doing in 5 or 10 years, or if you have any big plans coming up. If she's really interested in you, she might try to hint that she wants to be a part of those plans. Of course, these questions could just be innocent small talk, so you'll have to use your best judgment to determine if she's really interested. But if she keeps asking questions about your personal life, it could be a sign that she wants to take things to the next level. She compliments you. If a woman likes you, she will start to pay you compliments. This could be anything related to your appearance or personality. She will often appear anxious or flustered around you, making a conscious effort to impress you. She may talk about how much she enjoys spending time with you and how much fun you are to be around. She might seek your approval and recognition, often going out of her way to please you. It's important to understand that these compliments aren't just empty flattery. They are a way for her to express her interest in you and make you feel good. So if she keeps complimenting you, there's a good chance she wants you to make a move. But don't mistake friendly banter for flirting. If she's genuinely interested in you, her compliments will feel different, like she's trying to create a deeper connection between the two of you. So pay attention to the tone of her compliments and see if she's trying to send you any other subtle signals. She finds excuses to touch you. One of the most obvious signs that a woman wants you to make a move is when she finds excuses to touch you. However, this doesn't mean that she'll grab you or something. Instead, she will look for subtle ways to touch you so that you don't feel uncomfortable. For example, she may touch your arm or leg while laughing at something you said. When you're walking together, she may brush against you or stand so close to you that your bodies touch. Another sign that she wants you to make a move is when you catch her holding eye contact while touching you. This is a clear indication that she's comfortable with you and enjoys your presence. She may also playfully touch you to get your attention or to tease you. Finally, holding hands or fingers is a clear sign that she's into you. This is a very intimate form of touch that shows that she trusts you and is willing to take things to the next level. So if you notice a woman finding excuses to touch you, take it as a sign that she wants you to make a move. Just make sure that you don't misinterpret her signals and make a move too early or too late. She mimics your actions or tone. It's a well-known fact that we tend to mirror the actions of those we feel a connection with. So if you notice that the woman you like is copying your gestures or body language, there could be a very good reason for that. She may be doing this unconsciously, as a way of seemingly getting closer to you. Another thing to watch for is if she's copying your style of speaking. Does she use certain words or phrases you've said? Maybe she's adopting a similar tone as you or even matching your energy levels, providing yet another example of her tendencies to mirror you. All of these are subtle signs to be alert for, non-verbal cues that should not be ignored. If you pick up on these signals, she's definitely giving off signs that she's interested in you. She seeks your help or advice. So you're in the middle of a conversation with a woman you fancy, and suddenly she starts asking for your help or advice. She might be seeking your opinion on a work-related issue or asking for assistance with a task. Either way, she's indirectly giving you the green light to make your move. This is a sign that she values your thoughts and wants to create a deeper bond with you. Don't be afraid to give her your full attention and offer your insight. This is an excellent opportunity to showcase your strengths and impress her. Furthermore, if she genuinely cares about what you have to say, she'll show a willingness to listen to your suggestions and actively apply them to her life. Pay attention to her body language and see how she responds to your advice. If she looks appreciative, then it's a good sign that she's into you. However, avoid trying to fix all her problems and don't come on too strong. Strike up a conversation and build a strong rapport before taking any drastic actions. Remember, patience is a virtue and slow and steady wins the race. She shows off her assets. Let's be real, women want to look their best around the person they like, so if she's showing off her best assets, she's probably into you. Whether it's wearing her favorite dress or showcasing her toned legs, she wants you to take notice. And let's not forget about the slight exaggeration of her best qualities. If she's talking about her skills or accomplishments more than usual, she might be trying to impress you. Hey, we're all guilty of it. But the most telling sign, she's at her best when she's around you. She laughs at your jokes, smiles more often, and seems genuinely happy to be in your company. So if you notice her putting in a little extra effort to look her best or show off her talents, it's time to make a move. If you liked today's video, please give us a like and subscribe for more content like this.